Autumn is the season when real style speaks quietly but powerfully. For men over 50, it's not about chasing trends, it's about making smarter choices that show confidence and refinement. In this video, we're breaking down the only 15 autumn swaps you actually need to look modern, comfortable, and effortlessly put together. These changes won't cost you more, but they'll make you look like you finally stopped trying too hard. Stick around, because by the end, you'll know exactly what to keep, what to ditch, and what truly matters in your autumn wardrobe. One, swap bulky coats for lightweight. Wool overshirts. Many men over 50 still cling to heavy winter coats when autumn arrives, but it's time to swap them for lightweight wool overshirts. These give warmth without the bulk, providing a structured silhouette and easy layering. A wool blend overshirt instantly modernizes your outfit while staying practical for unpredictable autumn weather. It transitions perfectly from casual weekends to smart lunches, especially when worn open over a fine-gauge knit. The key: choose soft textures and relaxed tailoring that drape naturally, no stiffness, no excess fabric. Two, swap old jeans for tailored cotton trousers. That pair of loose faded jeans from 10 years ago. It's time to retire them. Tailored cotton trousers offer the same comfort, but with more refinement. The cleaner lines flatter your shape without appearing tight or outdated. Opt for earthy tones, live tobacco, or stone that complement autumn hues and pair beautifully with knits or lightweight jackets. These trousers bridge the gap between casual and polished, helping you look effortlessly put together whether at a cafe or casual dinner. A small adjustment like this subtly elevates your entire style. Three, swap logo hoodies for cashmere half-dash zips. Logo-heavy hoodies scream teenage style, not timeless refinement. Swap them for a cashmere half-zip sweater, comfortable, elegant, and mature. Cashmere breathes better than cotton while offering subtle luxury without flash. The half-zip detail keeps it versatile and zipped for casual looks, zipped for cleaner lines. Neutral tones like camel, navy, or oatmeal pair perfectly with jeans or chinos. This upgrade doesn't just improve your outfit, it communicates confidence and quiet sophistication without saying a word. Four, swap bulky sneakers for streamlined leather trainers. Many older men hold on to chunky, over-designed sneakers, but they only add unnecessary weight to your frame. Streamlined leather trainers, on the other hand, provide a crisp and contemporary silhouette. They complement tailored looks or casual wear without clashing. Opt for smooth, matte leather in white taupe or gray minimal branding, no fuss. This small swap keeps your outfit grounded, refined, and modern without sacrificing comfort. You'll look more elegant walking the city streets, not like you're heading to the gym. 5. Swap graphic tees for piqué polo sweaters. Graphic tees often make older men look like they're chasing youth rather than mastering it. A piqué polo sweater is the perfect replacement. It combines the structure of a shirt with the comfort of knitwear. Choose long-sleeve versions in soft tones like dusty blue taupe or forest green for autumn layering. The textured fabric breathes, flatters the upper body, and looks intentional rather than lazy. It's casual, yet quietly stylish, a must-have swap for any refined wardrobe. 6. Swap stiff blazers for unstructured jersey. Jackets. Traditional blazers with shoulder padding can feel dated and uncomfortable. The modern alternative, unstructured jersey jackets. They drape naturally over the body, giving movement and ease while maintaining a sharp outline. The soft jersey fabric molds to your frame and pairs well with everything from turtlenecks to t-shirts. This swap adds effortless sophistication without stiffness, allowing you to look confident rather than constrained. It's the kind of comfort that looks intentional smart, but never stuffy. 7. Swap old knit scarves for cashmere neck gaiters. Long, bulky scarves can look sloppy and outdated. A lightweight cashmere neck gaiter gives warmth, texture, and sleek modern appeal. It layers neatly under jackets without the bulk, and its minimalist form frames your face sharply. This simple accessory swap can rejuvenate your outerwear, making even older coats look fresh. The tactile luxury of cashmere also elevates any ensemble quietly expensive without shouting for attention. 8. Swap boxy parkas for quilted utility jackets. Heavy, boxy parkas often overwhelm the frame and add unnecessary bulk. Instead, a quilted utility jacket gives structure, warmth, and lightness. It brings texture and a hint of British countryside charm without feeling dated. Look for diamond stitching, a high collar, and snap button details. The fit should contour your torso slightly, neither tight nor loose. This swap makes you look active, refined, and ready for anything autumn throws your way. 9. Swap dress shirts for Oxford Grandad collars. Classic collared shirts can sometimes feel too corporate or formal. A Grandad collar Oxford shirt gives the same refinement, but with relaxed personality. It removes the stiff collar, creating a modern neckline that pairs beautifully under knits or blazers. The texture of Oxford cloth makes it autumn perfect, structured but breathable. This piece strikes the perfect balance between smart and casual, especially for men who appreciate subtle detail over loud statements. Swap old belts for braided leather versions. Cracked plain leather belts instantly date your outfit. A braided leather belt adds tactile interest, depth, and casual refinement, ideal for men over 50 who understand quiet detail. It works equally well with chinos or denim, adding subtle sophistication without feeling flashy. The texture breaks monotony and complements soft autumn fabrics like wool and suede. It's a small accessory change that speaks volumes about taste and attention to detail. (11) Swap heavy jeans for corduroy drawstring trousers. Thick, rigid jeans can feel uncomfortable and dated. Corduroy drawstring trousers, however, bring a refined comfort that's perfect for autumn. The ribbed texture adds depth, while the adjustable waist keeps the fit casual yet elevated. Pair them with polos or overshirts for an effortlessly smart look. They give the same masculine edge as denim, but with far more sophistication. This swap is for men who value ease, texture, and timeless character proof that comfort doesn't mean compromise. (12) Swap formal coats for suede field jackets. Instead of wearing structured coats that look too formal, try a suede field jacket, a luxurious yet casual alternative that radiates effortless elegance. The suede's matte texture catches autumn light beautifully while maintaining warmth without heaviness. Its multiple pockets offer practicality and style, perfect for travel or city strolls. Choose muted tones like sand, mocha, or olive to create a grounded masculine appearance that never feels overdone. (13) Swap old knit vests for wool cardigan jackets. Traditional vests often age a man's look unnecessarily. Replace them with a wool cardigan jacket, a hybrid between knitwear and outerwear. It gives structure through ribbed trims and button fronts while keeping flexibility and warmth. A cardigan jacket layers beautifully over shirts or tees, offering a relaxed yet refined vibe. Perfect for dinners, weekends, or just looking effortlessly cool in cooler weather. It's the autumn layering secret stylish men over 50 rely on. (14) Swap synthetic raincoats for waxed cotton jackets. Plastic-looking raincoats don't flatter anyone. A waxed cotton jacket, however, offers water resistance and rugged charm with a mature edge. The material gains character over time, developing a rich patina unique to the wearer. Its heritage look pairs easily with denim or knitwear, giving that British countryside appeal without stiffness. This swap is about texture, durability, and timeless appeal, a true investment piece. 15. Swap plastic watches for leather strap timepieces. Your accessories should evolve as your wardrobe does. Plastic or rubber watches break the aesthetic harmony of a refined outfit. A leather strap timepiece adds maturity, depth, and timelessness. The soft patina of good leather complements autumn's natural tones perfectly. Choose minimalist dials and brown or tan straps for versatility. It's not about the brand, it's about presence. This final swap ties together every other upgrade you've made, completing the look of a man who knows value over vanity. So there you have it, 15 smart autumn swaps that save your wallet and elevate your entire look. Remember, great style isn't about spending more, it's about understanding what works for you. If you found these insights helpful, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your stylish friends, and don't forget to subscribe to The Man's Style Decree for weekly guides crafted for men over 40 who value timeless confidence. Until next time, stay sharp, stay comfortable, and always dress with purpose.